Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. Hello everyone, so today's question is cute strings. In this question, we're given a string s of length exactly 3 and it is called cute if it satisfies the following condition, that is, if s1 and s3 are equal, that is the first and the last character are equal and the second character is equal to w. So for example, the strings OWO, UWU, QWP are cute because the first and the last character are equal and the middle character is W. Whereas WWF, OCO are not cute because either first and last are not equal or the middle element is not equal to W. Now we are given a string S of length exactly 3 and we need to tell if it is cute or not. Now in the input, we're given a single string S consisting of length 3 and in the output, we need to print cute if it is a cute string and no otherwise. In the constants, we're given that S will always have a length equal to 3 and the characters of S will always be lowercase English letters from A to Z. Now let us see the sample input. OWO, it is a cute string because first and last are equal and the middle is W. So we print cute. PWP is cute, so we print cute. PVP is not cute, so we print no. AW is not cute because first and last are not equal, so we print no. Now for the solution, all we need to do is take in the input of the string S. If the zeroth element of string S is equal to the second element of string S, and the first element, the S1 is equal to W, we'll print cute, otherwise we'll print no. And we're using S0, S1, and S2 because we'll be using zero-based indexing instead of one-based indexing. So let us see the code once. So let us say this is our S, which we take as our input, which will store a string. Now, if the zeroth character and the second character are equal and the first character is equal to W, will print cute. Otherwise, we print no. Notice here that we used S0, S2, and S1 instead of S1, S3, and S2 because we're using zero-based indexing. Now let us see the solution in C++. So we take in the string S, take in its input. If S of 0 is equal to S of 2 and S of 1 is equal to W, we print cute. Otherwise, we print no. And that's pretty much the whole solution. The time complexity is constant because we're just doing some 4, 5 constant number of operations. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks. Bye.